Hi, Ni. Okay, good evening.
Yeah,
How are you, Ni?
I'm fine.
Okay, wait. I cannot hear you. Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, today, teacher, from now on, we're going to study travel English. We don't need to study business. We're going to study travel English from now on. So I have here some topic about travel English. Okay, I guess learn about this one already. Okay, so let us move now to at the beach. Okay, so this topic, what comes into your mind when we talk about beach?
Mm,
Okay, wait
nothing.
minute ha. I need to turn off my aircon. I goes up. Okay, what comes into your mind when we talk about what comes into your mind when we talk about travel English?
Um, we might do play volleyball, play badminton, go swimming, surfing, windsurfing, um, and more.
Okay. So most likely when we are in the beach, we can do activities that we really wanted to, like playing volleyball, okay, play badminton. But badminton, I guess it's very windy outside, okay? So here, let us have these questions. Okay, so I have here. So I have here some dialogue. Okay, I will read as stuff and you will read as Timmy. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so stuff, I am the stuff and you are Timmy. Okay, first, okay. So welcome. What kind of activities would you like to try?
I'd love to try surfing, but I don't know how to do it.
Okay. So no worries. Our coach will show you some basic techniques. Do you have your surfboard with you?
No, where can I rent a surfboard from?
You can rent one here for $50 per hour, or you can buy one here too. Would you like to rent one or buy one?
I ran one for 2 hours. Here is $100. By the way, do you know where I can hire a sunshade for my girlfriend?
You can rent them from the shop opposite. Opposite. Here is your surfboard. Okay. So did you understand the conversation? Me? Did you understand it? Okay, very good. Now, what will Timmy do today at the beach?
Uh, he goes surfing.
Okay. So what can you ask to know and what else you can do at the beach?
Um, we can do at the beach like surfing,
Okay.
swimming,
Mm-hmm.
uh, play basketball, play
Mm-hmm.
volleyball,
Mm-hmm.
build sandcastle.
Okay, that's very good. Now, who might you ask if you don't have the right equipment? Example, you don't have the right equipment. Who might you ask?
We can ask the staff.
Okay, you can ask the staff or you can ask the coach. Okay, so another one. Now here. So pick the correct word, me, to complete the expressions you can use at the beach. We're talking here at the beach. Okay, please pick the correct word to complete the expression you can use at the beach. Okay, please just underline.
I finished.
Okay, first, number one, I will read. I'm so excited about trying some activity, surfboards at the beach, such as water skiing and diving. The activity is surfboard. Okay, activity. It's the activity. Okay, oh, activity. Another. I think windsurfing is difficult because I don't have the right. Okay, right? Picnic. Okay, very good. To be honest, I prefer lying on the beach under a surfboard or sunshade. The correct answer is sunshade. Check out my new sunshade surfboard. I'm off to learn how to surf with the help of my coach. The answer is surfboard. Very good. So our topic for today is only about beach. Okay, at least you learn what is it. Now, choose the correct expressions to make the conversation about activity at the beach. Okay, what do you think is the correct expressions to make conversations? You can choose A, B, and C from the left side. Wala ko kukulit. Ako sa ulit eh. Manaog ka. Oo. Sa ka din. Kani mga ay sa kami mga mga tao mo tang kundang. Kamay.
I finished.
Okay. So see, I think just relax under the sunshade. What do you want to do at the beach? Oh, very good. I think, okay, I'll just relax under the sunshade. What about you? No, I don't think so. What's number next? Oh, 2A. I want to walk across the beach and maybe try sailing. That sounds like a lot of fun. Will you swim too? Oh, very good. No, I don't think so. I would rather relax with you. Oh, your responses and expressions, me, are all correct. Very good. So at least you understand. Great job. Okay, now let us talk here. Have a conversations with me about the beach. Okay. Complete the checklist to talk a crew member on the board in the cruise ship. Okay, look at this. Challenge. Look at here in the right side, we have challenge. What would you do if you last, or broke or lost the things you rented from the rental shop on the beach? So what you will gonna do? Okay, the scenario is, listen, it's summertime. You want to enjoy your holiday at the beach. So you want to pick up some activity to try and to rent the equipment you need. But then, what happened? You broke or you lost the things you rented from the rental shop and the beach. So what would you do? Okay, so you think for a minute and then after that one, you speak up the teacher. Okay, you tell me if you're done, ha?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, done? Okay. Okay. Okay, so do you have the answer now? What would you do if you broke or you lost the things you rented from the rental shop on the beach? So what do you want to do? What would you do?
I will apologize to them and will compensate them.
Okay, so you will apologize and compensate them. Very good. Of course, the first thing first, you have to ask an apology. Forgive me because you have to tell it honestly what happened. And then after that, you will gonna ask apology and of course compensate. You will gonna pay what you have damaged. Okay, right, Ni? Do you understand, teacher? Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, so here, let us have here the second topic. Okay, let us have here about on the ship. Okay, so what have you, okay, have you tried? Here, huh? Okay, have you tried me riding a ship? This one is very big. It's a big one. Have you
What?
riding a ship as big as this? This is like
Yeah.
a cruise ship.
Yep.
It's a very big one.
Yes, yes.
Mm. So now let us have this. Okay, so please let us have this. What might you ask when you go on a cruise ship for the first time? Okay, so what do you think you will gonna ask? Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. What might you ask when you go on a cruise ship for the first time? What you will gonna ask first? Okay, please write your answer in the chat box after. Okay, you tell me if you're done, huh? Okay, this is personal questions. Okay, going. Start now.
I finished.
How do I find people in my travel party on the ship? Oh, you want to find people in the travel party? You want to find, why do you like to find people? I mean, you want to find friends. What do you mean? What you mean is you want to find friends, right? In the
Yeah,
travel.
like I want to find my friends when it's crowded.
Ah, okay. So when there are many people, you want to find a friend. Okay. So it's not impossible because in the cruise ship there are many people. Okay. So we don't know that probably you will gonna meet your friend there. Okay. Let us here to read the dialogue and check your answer. Okay. I am Jordan and you are the flight attendant, the stewardess. Okay. Now I will start. Hello, it is our first time on a cruise ship and we're kind of lost. Can you help me and my wife find a cabin?
Certainly, may I have your ticket, please? You just need to go straight ahead, then turn left. The third door on the right is your cabin.
Okay, thank you very much. I have another question. Will there be a tour on the islands during ports of call?
Of course, sir. That is included in the cruise package. You will be allowed to disembark from the ship and join tower doors for all the stuff.
That's great. I have one last question. Do you know what time the dinner buffet will start?
It will start in exactly 5 minutes, sir.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, sir. I hope you enjoy your cruise.
Okay, so what do you think they're talking about? Can you tell me what do you think they're talking about? Okay, wait minute, just a minute. Okay, so let us answer here the questions. Wait me, ha. Okay, please try to answer this one.
Teacher,
Okay?
no,
Do you have the
can I
answer?
see, no, no, no.
Hmm?
Can I see the script again?
Okay, wait. The Zoom will end. Please join again, ha? Okay, we'll get
Yes.
back on you because it's 1 minute already.